the local river, just trying to find some carp. I got me other rod around to chase some redfin, but hopefully can get a big carp. A nice bite. Come on, hook up, self hook, that's what I want. It's a nice bite. I just went over to flick my lure around and as soon as I threw one cast, bang, bite. And as soon as you stop throwing your lure around, no bites. Come on, big fella, take it. Hopefully it's a carp and not a reddy. Come on. Looks like he doesn't want to hit with the camera on. Oh, on a little one. Oh, double hook up. Oh, one got off. Oh, I had two on it. Double hook up, but then one got off. Nice little reddy. A little trout lure. It's the littlest redfin in the world. Look at that. That is tiny. Look how tiny that is, bro. Holy shit, that is so small. Love it. Up you go. Oh, there's like a little school on me right here. That's where I've caught both of them. Oh, let's see if we can pinch another one, guys. And just over here. Yep, there we go. Nice. Fucking active little fellas today. Oh, he's hooked everywhere, this poor bloke. His eye pretty much. There's that one. There we go. Another little reddy. Beautiful. Let's see if I can pinch another one while recording. Just over there. Yep, there's another one. How good's that? That's three in a row. There's a hat trick. Yeah, just along here. I was casting from the other way and they wouldn't hit me. I'll come this side, bring it up this side, bang, bang, bang. 3 casts in a row, 3 fish in a row. There you go, beautiful. 3 fish in a row there. At least you got to see 2 of them hook up. Can we get 4 in a row? Look at that. Nice little reddies. Here we go, going for 4. Can we get 4? Nah, can't do it. Come on. Might have finally spooked that little school off. One more cast that way. Alright, that's a perfect one. Come on. And it, too easy. Alright, so I just lied. I checked the video and I didn't actually get a hat trick. I cast, got a fish, cast, missed one, and then 2 casts in a row got a fish, so I didn't get the hat trick. Shattered. I was double hooked up on the bait, but I only got the one. There you go, another little ready. Beautiful. Didn't realise, but I've here double hooked up on bait. Woo! Yeah, the old Paternoster rig, she's done too. Get them both off. There you go, double hook up. There you go, Zach.
Yeah, nice.
Beautiful. Just chilling out, relaxing. The old bait in the end. Oh, yeah, no, I think I missed him. Fuck. Bloody missed him. A nice little hit. Just drop back under where it was. Out there. Just sitting here with the old bait. Oh, surely that's got it, cunt. What the hell? Let's go again. There, finally pinched, hooked up. Nice ready, a little ready. I was trying to get the hook up on the camera, I just couldn't. Oh fuck, he swallowed this one. Get back to you. Another little ready. They're all so tiny in this bloody spot. Look at that. So tiny. Yeah, they're probably the one I constantly catching these little fellas. So little. Look at that, straight through his mouth like that. Beautiful hookup. Whoa, look at this young fella. This bloke's missing an eyebrow.
Yeah, that's great.
I didn't even hook him in the eye, and this one, he's just missing one. Poor fella. Wonder if he's been caught before, or he just got fucked up in there. Just saw a nice platypus just over here, just waiting to see if he pops back up. Hopefully he does. It's good to see platypus. Nice. Still sitting here trying to find a carpy. Seem to can't find one. Oh well, nice day in the end anyway. Well, no Mr. Carpy today. End up pinching like 11, 12 redfin. They're all tiny, but that's the local river for you. Good place for the kids to fish. Or get your kids on the fish. You will find a few cod and trout that come through here. Mainly carp and redfin, but yeah, just couldn't pinch it today. Ah well, we're probably calling the quits in the next 20 minutes.